Hi guys, a bright, clear, calm, sunny afternoon, Sunday the something or other in January, must be about the 20th, 18th, 19th, 20th, I don't know. Anyway, because it's so calm, we'll give this little fella a fly. I usually fly it in the woods, but it's pretty calm here. Sunlight's a bit bright, so we'll fly over that way. Just a little fly around. So, you're on the hat camera. So now you're on my head. Don't know how well charged it is. We'll find out. I might take that glove off. I was flying the quadcopter just now and the fingerless gloves were keeping my hands warm, but these bits here were getting stuck on the control sticks on the transmitter, which made life a bit interesting. So we'll just have a little go like this. Trick with this one is to balance the throttle so it doesn't do that porpoising. If you get it just right, it flies around nicely in a circle. Well, whichever way you point it. The only problem is it's probably too small to be able to see it. Certainly can't hear it. I'm slowly giving it more throttle. Battery must be running down a bit. Oh, Full throttle. Yeah, full throttle. Must be out of battery. Well, that was fun. I will just say the grass is saturated, wet, but it's frozen. So I keep finding bits that have melted and have gone soft, but generally it's fairly hard to walk on. Otherwise I'll just put my Wellington boots on. Right, that'll do. So we've flown that one in the open for a change. I could recharge it. It does come with a charge lead. Yeah, little green lights on to charge, but I won't do that just now. We'll go home. That's a nice little session. Bit of SEMA quad and a bit of Silverlit biplane. Let's take those gloves out of my pockets. Right, that's it. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. You'll find more information down in the video description. You might like to watch that video up there, and you might like to subscribe over there.